way and head around to the bus. Time for me to get ready. Yeah, I've got a 17:30 departure from here back to London. So I've got to start board at 5 o'clock. So this is a side street. What is this side street? Oh, look at this. That's good. What's it? They're going green. They got trees growing off the side of the building there, out the windows or whatever, where the glass was. That's Mr. X life in England. Yeah. Look like a box. It's windy, but the sun is blazing at the same time. In this square, and we're going to go around this side here. So we are in Pinstone Street. That's what the name says on this building here. The clock tower is right there. There is Queen Victoria, that little white statue inside at the top of the building. And so there's some development as you can see. There's development going down there. It's almost finished. Sheffield Register Office. It's the Register Office. This is where you're married. Marriage room only. So this is where you can get married in the side here if you want. I'm not going in. Yeah. Let's take a look at some of these. This is Asian. Anyway, we're not staying in. It's a 4:45. Huh? I'm a visitor too myself. I guess you can. The guy's right there. Go on, talk to the guy right there. He's right there. Huh? Anyway. Right here, anyway. You go anyway. Just ask him. Yeah, just ask him and he will tell you if you can, because I didn't even ask him. I didn't ask. I'm just flimming. Yeah. I'm telling people to go in like I work here. Well, it's our tax money, our council tax pay for this, so why? Walk in as much as you want and Go look. It look like he's sending them out. Okay, so as we walk, we are heading back to the bus station. We're going to find our bus, get on our bus and start it up and do what we have to do. Here's another square again, but these ones look like yeah. So, Sheffield, South Yorkshire, that is the building again, where our tax money pay for. That's where you get married and stuff like that. And the water is there. The water is there to cool you down. So if you want to get cool, you're too hot, just stand up in the water. Where people come and chill out. As you can see, a lot of people chilling out, enjoying the sunshine. Yeah, you can chill out, do shopping. It's very busy, very busy neighborhood, very busy place. So listen, we're going to have to start packing it in. Sheffield. Oh damn, my bird lost his legs. So this is Sheffield, South Yorkshire. I don't want to enclose myself in. won't be able to. Oh, so this, what's in here? What is inside this place here? Welcome to Sheffield Winter Garden in Alma University.